Previously on the agency.
Ahora que hagamos this.
Our damn move the name. You idiot, you.
Brother, say place I run. You them joke here run.
Alright. We could talk about some serious thing, you know, my dog. So you know, so we get a one link down in our country there.
What kind of link you talk about?
See, program you and Butcher go run what they are with Miss Brissett them. Reach back Teflon, you hear that?
In real life.
All me can tell you no 2 sisters soon, you see me? One of them I'm a bartender, you hear that?
The Spanish Town thing is a little bit more serious than we expected. Whisper, you have to take one more for the team.
What do you mean?
You have to get close to Vicious Bartender.
Bubbles, they will come after we are ready and we'll get through on that. We can do it again.
I'll see if I can have this back to you in 2 days. Sure. Let me tell you this. I see they're going off phone something, I'm not going to deal with it, you know. No bother with them style, you know. I don't like that style, yeah.
Ever been on your phone before?
I don't know about that. That's why I wonder what kind of style that.
What you feel like say go on your phone, sir? Your phone that ringing at the car or we stop at the gas station and the name them come up in your phone.
So you go on so far. You go on like a woman name you see on my phone.
I better I did one woman name in your phone. Russian name I do in your phone.
What do you mean? If me and the man are well reasoning and the man say he want to deal with some business pertaining to where me I deal with. So why if me take your number?
What kind of business? What kind of business you and him would have to go in now?
So hold on there. Everything me I deal with you have to know? That you tell me?
You can't tell me what kind of business, don't. Cause you see them man there, the only thing and the only business where them do is scamming, killing, and extortion.
So I know him only 2 big supermarket them down there. Where you tell me say I know business them there?
So what you gonna do? Supply me natural juice? Are that business you and him are going on?
Sure, but don't tell you say me and the man are going in a business. You don't need to tell you everything.
Orlando, you remember say down them a born and grow. You know don't say 5 brother of them? 4 of them dead and him alone left back. And the worst part, him killed 2 of them brother them over gun. Them man there a big gun business them in a. And I know you.
So what that supposed to mean? A gun business me and him are going in?
Orlando, let me tell you about the badness thing. I don't like it, you know. And to me, it look like say it have try to go back in.
Sure. What kind of badness you say me I try go back in? Remember 2 business me own, you know. Yeah, so I may have the next rum bar over so, you know. So I don't know what kind of style that we are talking about.
Tell me something. Who run over your place?
Nobody na run my place, man. Cause if somebody a run over my place, they would have run me. No boy.
Orlando, you know what bother me? The one time I follow my country, you don't know nobody down there. And who you choose to lick head with other than out of Everybody? Why?
No go link no Dan. You know say I Dan can link me. I just tuck me tuck in and I hold them, you know.
You're talking and I top up your face. They say them have to come to me and ask me who you. Because them want for somebody will come from a different community.
Sure, you go like you don't know me. You know to laugh with people, you know.
They can't go in a people community so and I bend up your face and I toughed up your face. Suppose me never did know. When them come to me, I have to tell them say I'm a man.
What you mean? So me now have to look around. So me don't know if none of your ex-man did they catch off and I watch.
Oh, that's how you behave so. Can you think me have man down there?
What you mean? Me have to watch my space, you know. Me have to make sure say anyway me stand up, me govern, you know. And you have to remember say how far me come from and on my ground. A your place.
You see, say you still go around the question I'm ask you. At Warren Valley.
Valley now not done, sure. So you place there from at all the time, you see me?
Okay. So how them view you over there? Where them look up to you as over there? Mr. Big Bad Vicious.
Me are just me. Me not take no talk from no man, no one. I just some role from at all the time, you see me?
Something I go on with you, you know, but you just not tell me. Something no look right. But Orlando, you see, if you go back down the road there, when I go down the road there with you.
So we are talking, what go on with you? Yo, not two in them long talking and I that we not sure.
You're not going away.
Yo, what kind of style you know?
Vicious, mama tell you when I see what go on from the other day. I be a different man. I see I come check you if you go down the road. What kind of business you and them in now?
Oh, some of the nigga them from the block. Remember say I'm charging them, you know. No, dog them from a longer time, you know. They can't make them think they sure.
Where me not fear meds them. Orlando, I not like how them youth they look, you know. When me there, I never normally see them come while all of a sudden them start to come, you know.